Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. First off, I would like to thank everyone who watches my videos, who subscribes, who likes, who comments. It is appreciated. I thank you very much. Today I am doing a video on two Dooney and Bourke bags that I did pick up. Both are brand new. One I picked up from I Love Dooney. And the bag that I am referring to is, let's see if I can keep the other one up. The Dooney and Bourke Extra Large Courtney in Pebble leather. The color is Elephant. Like I said, I picked this up on I Love Dooney. Got it at a really, really good price. I initially wanted just the Florentine Extra Large Courtney, which I think is available on all three sites, Dooney, I Love Dooney, and QVC. But QVC is the only one that had the Florentine leather Extra Large Courtney in Ivy, which is the color that I wanted. And that is the other bag that I picked up. And this is the Extra Large Courtney in Florentine leather. The color is Ivy. Love this color. It is so pretty. The Florentine leather is pretty consistent throughout the bag. I don't think there's any pebbling on this particular bag. Now this is not an as-is purchase. I paid full price for this because these bags, they were just selling pretty consistently. So, and I guess people were not returning them. So no as-is purchases. But let me just give you a look. This is the front of the bag. This is the side. And this is what I like about the bag. It has a nice slim profile. Let me come forward. Like I said, it's so large I have to stand back. But it has a nice slim profile. It's pretty clean on the back and the front. There's really, nothing but leather. So this is the back. This is the other side. And it does have 4 feet. But you see why it has a slim profile, because the base really isn't that large. It is, what, 5.5 inches wide, but for a bag of this size, that's pretty slim. So, but this is it. Have the Dooney and Bourke, let me bring this down a bit, logo patch here. Love the wide straps, or wide strap. So even if you load this bag up, it's not going to dig into your shoulder. It is adjustable on either side. You have the brushed gold-toned hardware. Yes. You have some detailing here on the side, just below the straps. And that is about it. You do, of course, have the stitching, but again, the stitching is only at the very top of the bag. Other than that, it's all leather. That the star of this bag is the leather. And then the interior, of course, the Dooney and Bourke red cotton interior. But look how large this bag is. It's a large bag. You can really load this one up. So, let's see, let me give you measurements. This is, and this one's pretty soft. This one is pretty soft. And I noticed that my camera is going in and out of focus. I don't know what the problem is, but I will figure it out. Please bear with me. The bag is 13 inches high, 15 inches long, 5.5 inches deep or wide, and it weighs 2 pounds, 10 ounces. The strap is 10 inches long. And like I said, the color is Ivy in this particular bag. And then, of course, the Pebble leather, same measurements. The only difference is that Again, it's pebbled leather. And of course the strap is done, I forget what they call this leather, but it's basically the same features. At the front, you get the metal logo plate. And again, the color is elephant. And then the back. But the reason why I really wanted a pebble leather one is because, again, this is a big bag. And see, I may want to pick it up like this instead of using the strap. It's not going to hurt the bag if I do that. Whereas if I do that on the Florentine, I'll have scratches all over the bag. But the interior, like I said, these are new. The interior is the same. Red cotton lining. And let me just bring this up a bit so I can get just a bit more light in there, because it's deep, you know, because it is tall. It is 13 inches tall, so it's a deep bag. But let's see, let me show you, since I've already given you a picture. On the back wall, you have a zipper pocket, and I believe this is pretty generous. Yeah, it's a nice size zipper pocket. It's nice and deep. You can get a lot of things in there. And then below that is a slip pocket, and I believe that will fit the case for my iPhone 11, and it does. And you still have room to get other things in there. Then on the front wall, you have the two vertical pockets. And I believe I can get the case for the phone fits in the smaller pocket. And then of course it will definitely get in the larger pocket. It'll fit in the larger pocket. So nice organization, especially since it's such a big bag. So let me show you. Now today what I am carrying is my Dooney and Bourke all-weather leather 3.0 collection satchel. And the color is, it's called green, but it's really like an olive. So that is what I am carrying today. So let me show you now. Like I said, this is a big bag. Of course, you also need you get the key keeper. So my biggest piece is my Dooney and Bourke large Carrington. And that easily fits in there. Easily fits in. And of course my medium Carrington. I mean, you have a lot of room in this bag. And my Dooney and Bourke large zip around wristlet, colors Clementine. And these are big pieces. I mean, that large Carrington is at least, I believe it's at least 10 inches across. And the Carrington, the phone wristlet is at least, I think it's about 8 to 9 inches across. So, you know, these are nice size pieces. But because it's such a large bag, of course it accommodates all of those pieces, can easily accommodate a 16.9 ounce water bottle easily. You could still get a lot more in. And I apologize for the autofocus, I'll figure it out. And the way that it closes, it has a magnetic closure here. And it just not finds its way shut, but it shuts or closes the bag. The ends of the bag are still open, but again, the items are so deep in the bag that I can't imagine that someone would be able to go into your bag and take something out. So, and then as far as the strap drop, let me just show you. Plenty of clearance on this. And again, you can not again, probably didn't mention it. You can adjust the straps here. It looks like this is on the middle, and then there's two more adjustments, one lower and one higher on each side. Let me just, so that you can see that. And again, the strap is nice and wide, so it's not going to dig in. And this is how it looks. So let me step back so that you can get a good picture of just how large. And I have to step all the way back because it's a large bag, so I'm trying to get it in the frame. And I'm not a not so small person. I'm about 5'9", large frame, and this is how it looks on me. Now I like this. This is great. I don't carry a whole lot, so for me the bag wouldn't be too heavy, but if I needed to put in, my gloves, my scarf, my hat, I could get these things in here, or just throw small items that maybe, I purchase at the store. I don't want to get a bag, or, I don't want to go back to the car, so I want to just put it in this bag. I can definitely do that with this size bag. And it seems like the strap stays on the shoulder, so really nice. And like I said, slim profile. So even though it's a large bag, as you're walking towards people, it doesn't look like you're carrying a huge bag. I turn this way and this way. So let me put those items in the Florentine bag so that you can get an idea as to how that one carries. Or at least looks what it looks like on me. And I just put the same items in. And this is what it looks like, or what the profile looks like. It can come forward. I would have to bring the camera down a bit. But this is what the profile looks like. Then let me bring it up. Again, same clearance. And then this is how it looks on the side. Really pretty. And the Florentine isn't heavier. I don't feel a weight difference between the Florentine and the Pebble leather. I'm sure there's probably a difference, because there's more heft to the Florentine. But that's how it looks. Okay, I think that is it. So let me know if you guys have this bag. There's something that you had your eye on. And whether you would get it. Of course I didn't get the camera. Of course I didn't get it right. And whether you got it in Florentine or Pebble leather. I don't know if they have it in any other leathers. I don't think they're offering it in like a Safliano or any other type of fabrication. I think from what I know, they only offer it in the Florentine and the Pebble leather. But I think this is beautiful. I think this is a great bag, and a bag that will stay in my collection, both of them, because each, will have its own purpose. So I thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I definitely hope that you have a great holiday. I will see you in my next video. Bye.